hotel. And hello, Helen.
Hello.
Are you ready? We're going in a minute. Look if there and look. Just skip little while. We're doing 5 minutes. Me and Helen going today in Gate of India, and how excited!
Oh.
So let's see how it's going.
Yeah.
Europe is Europe, England is England, but like obviously India is India, girl. Just love it.
You will come to my island, and I hope you're gonna love it.
Greek,
Yeah,
I will
Greece.
see. Greece, I will see, but
I will cook for you.
I'm happy here. If I get more time, I will come back again. My hometown. Okay, we're done 5 minutes now. It's
After Elon Musk.
yeah. It's called something called. What do you call house name?
Ambani.
Ambani's house. Yeah. Nice, very nice.
Taj. This is the old one. This is the new one. That built 1903. This built 1972. You heard about that 2008 when the terrorists attacked? They attacked from this hotel. The 26th November 2008. You heard about the attack? Yes.
भाई करे
Look at how big. You're gonna go eat it. Yeah, it's sitting.
And then
Anything. Helen, say again. Where you want to go?
I need a wee.
You just want to go now.
Come on. मैडम अंदर घुसोगे ना?
Come. Yeah. Ellen, stay there.
Krishna?
Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute, huh? Again. Come here, come here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now
Yes,
you hold and I will take.
Here.
Okay. Stay here. Oh, no, we go inside and we take, है ना?
No, inside too many crowd. I am taking and I show you picture.
Okay. It's Gate of India. Stay
My
here.
phone is in your bag.
Of course, my darling.
Just minute. Here.
And see, ma'am, we're showing this tool.
Okay.
This is 1 hour, 2 hour tool. You know the washing and laundry.
Come together.
ए भाई रुक जा.
Put your glove. Yeah.
I make video.
Nice.
Thank you.
Anyone sheepish you want? Sheepish?
Anna.
1,000 people washing clothes behind the open laundry. Then we're showing the like fisherman village, like old part of Bombay.
You need to say all this to Krishna because she knows more.
No, because he also understanding this.
I do.
Yeah.
But it's,
Then we're showing the Chopati beach. This look like queen necklace. Jain temple, 700 years old temple. When you go inside the temple, you see the silver diamond god inside. In the life, no kill animals. They like my stuff. See here.
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful.
Are you a Egyptian or just happened?
Yeah, you get India these days.
It's only India.
But you're not Egyptian. Okay.
We are Saudi
It's
India.
India. They make here. Obviously, they make here.
And we're showing the Gandhi house. You know Mahatma Gandhi? 17 before Gandhi came India, they lived that house. Now they make museum like first floor, second floor. No, they like
No, it's okay.
I trust Krishna.
Gandhi house. They have all the history about the Gandhi.
No.
And hanging garden.
Hanging garden is nice, yeah.
Yeah. We're showing all this 2 hours.
And how much is
Every
that?
place we stop the car. The guide come with you. They give you all the information, everything. I give you Indian price, madam. See, this is the tourist price, but you are Indian. 2 of you. Include the parking, tax, everything.
We staying here. हम यहाँ पे एक वीक रहने वाला, ठीक है?
नहीं, आज अच्छा ही है।
हम रोज आएंगे क्योंकि हम इसको एक दिन तो हम
मैडम आज सिटी 2 जाइए, कल एलिफेंटा जाइए, चश्मा पहनने का।
अभी मेरा भाई आएगा लेने को काम से, ठीक है? हम मैं मलाड में ही पे रहूँगी, ठीक है? यहाँ पे ही। तो फिर हम ऐसा करेंगे, जैसे मैं कल वापस
ये
लेके
एसी
आऊँगी ना,
कार है, गाइड है, सब है
आप
आपके साथ।
आपके नंबर के कुछ है दे दो, तो हम पहले से ही जैसे आके ही चले जाएंगे।
अभी नहीं घूमना है आपको?
आज नहीं घूमना, आज हम बस ये देखेंगे, फिर मेरा अभी भैया ले जाएगा वापस। फिर हम कल से आए गए, हम यहाँ पे अजी पूरा वीक है, ठीक है? रोज यहीं पे ही आएगा। Oh my god, it's so cool. Thank you. Just buy this, and guys, you can have a look. It's just see having peanuts and milk. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Not today, maybe tomorrow. Drink. You want to juice? No, not this one. We buy just fruit. Do you want to eat fruit? Yeah? Okay.
One plate. You look Indian, she look foreign.
Of course, I born here.
You're Indian.
Of course.
बोला कितना चाहिए बोलो.
What fruit is that, the red one?
I think they put beetroot, yeah?
Yeah, beetroot.
No.
This one is beetroot.
Yeah.
Red one.
Did you eat?
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Has nothing to do with the fruits we know.
Yeah, it's vegetable. That's why it's mixed fruit salad.
Where I'm coming from has not the same flavor.
Yeah, right.
Wow.
That's pineapple. Where are you from?
Originally I'm from Greece,
Greece.
but I live in England. So I know the fruits, but this is something like I learned from the beginning.
King George and Queen Mary, 2nd of December. They create this Taj Mahal as a lot of India here and
Can you make me a photo?
of course. Go and stay the night. Helen, have a look.
Okay.
No good, that one. It's really hot. Come on, let's go. We see the outside. Because we can't go middle now. They're doing some work there, so we're just going in the side like. Wow. Do you like to go? No?
Where?
Boat?
Um,
They take round and come back. Or no?
how are...
Thank you. Thank you so much, brother. What do you like?
I
Bag?
don't know what 12.50, what means the price. Need help.
1,250.
1,200.
One bag, two bags there inside. One
Yeah,
compliment,
so maybe 15 pounds.
13.
13, yeah, 14, yeah.
Okay.
They-
So I was thinking for my university.
Yeah, I understand, but they take a card.
No,
We have a
in Google apps, Indian app, dollar, pound, euro, and Indian rupees.
pound.
Whatever you want.
You take?
Change and give you. Don't worry. For
Okay.
300.
No, they see have no even pounds. They have a card.
No, we don't take it.
Okay.
They don't accept card.
Do you have a cash?
No. No.
Do you have a England pound?
I have only card with me.
No, they don't take card.
You don't have the machine.
Machine you go to bank.
We coming tomorrow. Today.
Take it, no problem. 2 minutes.
Machine is here. If you want to withdraw.
Just
Yeah.
2 minutes walk. I send my guy with you also if you want. No problem for that. If you want,
Do you want to do this?
I was thinking for this one. What do you think?
No, I understand. It's nice, yeah. But I said you want to withdraw some money and you come back.
Yeah.
Then they will show us machine and then you can take some cash.
Yeah.
Up to you.
I mean, I think I really like this one for the winter. Also, it's coming for the university.
No problem. So how far, brother?
2 minutes walk.
Okay, come on, let's go.
You want me to send you guy?
Yes, please.
Take it.
How nice. Come. We come back. We just go withdraw some money. Sorry, say again. Wow, look at the how nice. Real means?
Real.
Yeah, yeah.
Real crystals.
Are you crazy? This is real. Which one? The okay. Ah, Ben. Oh my God. Yeah. No, wait. Yeah. No, I want to put my hair. No. No, I will buy. I will buy for you.
I will give.
I will buy for you. Wait.
Yeah, I will for you.
Thank you. Flower.
Thank you.
कितने हुए?
हमको कुछ तो खाना लेके
मैं समझ गई, कितने पैसे हुए बोला है?
200 रुपया दे दो खाना खाना
गजरे के कितने पैसे होते हैं भाई?
200 for it.
हाँ, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ आपको, कितने होते हैं?
खाना हमको खाना खा
नहीं, मैं समझ गई, पर गजरे इतने महंगे नहीं होते हैं।
नहीं
मैं मलर में रहती हूँ भाई, क्या
अच्छा,
तुम
100 रुपया।
थैंक यू। ले लो,
थैंक
थैंक यू। सॉरी, कम। Helen, we're just going here. Is here or? Ah, ATM here. Yeah, maybe do like 100 pound. Then
Yeah.
you get like 10,
So how much is
10,000.
10,000.
Yeah. So now we had a nice day and we just going back to home. You can see it's get now dark and still highway gonna go traffic as well. So we just decided almost like okay we going back home and had a nice day. Just see the Taj Mahal hotel and Gate of India. We had a fun. Weather was so nice as well. And now just going back to home and yeah, Helen is happy as well and had a good day. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe and we're gonna go make next video, so must watch. Thank you once again.